YouTube friends. You know, it's always kind of cool to make something with your own two hands. And over the years, Rita and I have done a lot of projects and we've made a lot of things. We still have them around the house today, and they prove to be useful, and more than being useful, they have a story to tell, because it creates a memory when you make something. So today, if you're interested in getting involved with woodworking, I want to show you a real simple first project that you could do. Now, under this mess of hats and hoodies and Rita's purse is a coat rack I made many years ago in Florida. So I want to take you back in time. I'm going to show you how I made this coat rack, and hopefully it'll be your first woodworking project.
The great thing about making something yourself is you can make it to your exact size. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I got a piece of oak from Lowe's. This is 5.5 by 2 feet. I'm going to cut it to the size that I like. And I'm going to do that with the miter saw right here. Cut this down to 20 inches. Do that real simple like this. Cut to 20 inches. There's no right or wrong way to do this, but I think I'm going to rip some of this width off over here. 5.5 inches. I think I'll take off at least an inch or two, but it's a good idea just to get the hook on the board and get a visual. And it's all a matter of how you like it, you know, how you want it to look. Now I have my table saw set up. I'm going to rip about a 1/4 inch off each side. So right now. So now I have my router set up. I'm using a Roman OG bit, and we put a nice edge on it right here. Alright, so now we got the routed edge. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a quick layout with the hooks, and I'm going to establish where I want them as far as the height goes on the board. So I'm just going to make a couple of pencil marks, and then I'm going to draw a real light straight line across, because you don't want everything cockeyed. Alright, so now I'm going to line up straight edge on my 2 lines, just like that. I'm just going to draw a faint line across. Remember, this is just so when I drill the holes, all the holes are at the right height. Alright, now I have all 4 hooks laid out. They're all 3.25 inches apart, and I'm 1.5 inches from the edge, so everything should look nice and uniform when I hang it. I'm going to make some drill holes right now. Alright, now I got my orbital sander. I'm going to sand it down a little bit. Note to self, don't do woodworking projects in Florida when it's 90 degrees. Not the best idea. We're thinking of Pennsylvania. I've got a fine piece of 220 sandpaper. I'm just going to very lightly clean up the edges. Wipe it down real quick. Make sure we get all the dust off of it.
We're using Minwax Poly Shades Classic Black with a satin finish.
And now I got some 320 sandpaper. I'm just going to Sand it real light to get any bubbles out. Alright, so we gave it a light sand, and now we're just going to wipe off any dust that we have. Alright, the original plan was to give this an even satin finish, but after sanding it, it kind of took on a personality of its own, and I kind of like it. It looks kind of weathered, and this will actually match the entryway table better, so I think I'm just going to keep it like that. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do before I put on the hooks is I'm going to put on these sawtooth hangers. Picked these up at Lowe's for about $2, I think it was. Alright, so I want to be sure to hang it on the right side. So I'm going to flip it over. And I'm going to put on 2. And we're just going to go to the edge. I'm going to tack. Alright, so these little tacks are real tiny. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hold them with a needle nose plier, just like that. And line it up. I'm just going to pound it in. Alright, now I had these holes pre-drilled, so everything's already lined up. Just got to put them in. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mark it right about where I want it hung at the correct height. So just make a pencil mark right there. And I want to get it level. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hold this laser across from one point to the next. To make sure I have it right. Got a mark there, so I've got 2 marks on the wall. They're level. Now we'll just put some mollies in. Alright, I'm just going to drill 2 holes where I made my marks. I'm just going to tap the anchors in a hole, just like that. Put the screws in the anchor. Okay, now we're going to put it on the wall. Check for level. That's perfect. And there it is. And there's the final product. Nice place to hang the old hat.